What's up, guys? Welcome back to another video of KCSQuickTips, and today's video is going to be about Google Documents and how you should use them at KCS. So the first document that we're going to be going over is Google Docs. Now, Google Docs is like Microsoft Word if you've ever used that, and it's used to process words pretty much. Alright, so looking into Google Docs is basically all online and everything is connected to the cloud, meaning that as soon as you type something, it'll automatically be saved, and you can see up here that it'll say every time I type a letter, it'll say saving. So that's really cool, especially if you're working all day and you forgot to save and something happens to your computer, it shuts off, and you lose everything. Well, that won't happen with Google Docs. Another good part about Google Docs is how easy it is to share and collaborate with other people. So right here, this button, obviously you got to save your document, title it whatever you want to. Right here, you can get shareable links. Now this link can be sent, and you can also change who can see it and that person, what they can do with the link and what they can do with the document. So right here, it'll tell you everything if you read it. Anyone can, with this link, can edit, anyone can comment, anyone can view. So if you're working with a partner on a project, you would want to click can edit. And then right here, you can type their email address, and then you can also send a little note. Or you can get this link, copy it, click here to copy, or just copy it like a regular person, and just send it to somebody via email like this, and then they'll just they'll just click on the link and they'll get it perfectly like here, like this. Now when you're collaborating with someone else, you'll also see, I'll type something like this on this page right here, and then you'll also see that this is my email address on this one right here. But we're using the same email address, so it's going to pop up the same. But you can see how you can cooperate with a partner and see exactly what they're looking at and what they're clicking. So you see how I clicked it on that, and it moves. So yeah, pretty much it's a cool little feature of it. It's really collaborative. It's pretty much like Microsoft Word if you've ever used Microsoft Word. But the thing that's bad about Google Docs is that the grammar check and the spelling check is very lenient. So if you're going to do anything related to anything professional, you would want to use a third-party application like Grammarly to check your grammar and your spelling and stuff like that, because this spelling check is very lenient. So that's pretty much it with Google Docs. I mean, there isn't anything special to it, except you can also get add-ons with Grammarly. I'm pretty sure you can get EasyBib, so you can easily cite things online. And yeah, there's a bunch of applications that you can use. Really helpful, but these are not very necessary. I don't use them that much, and if anything, just get Grammarly, like the video that we made before, and you can check that video out right here on quicktips.weebly.com, and here's the tutorial video. Anyway, so now let's move on to Google Slides. Now you can see that Google Slides kind of has the same page as the Google Docs, and you'll see that for all the other applications also. So they're pretty easy. Once you learn one, you kind of get the hang of the others. So just like the other one, right here is your recent presentations, or any presentations that you made. They'll be right here. So yeah, let's find a template and let's look around. So another thing actually I forgot about here is that there are so many templates that you can use for anything. So if you're writing a project proposal for your senior project, You can use one of these, or there's a bunch of stuff that you can add on, and yeah, that's pretty much it. Like, it's awesome. It's awesome having all these templates because you can easily create an outline and then customize it for your own project. So right here, let's do this one right here. You just click on them and they will load up, and boom, there you have. It's a perfect template, just like Microsoft PowerPoint. You can have templates like this, and obviously this is all stock. So in order to edit anything on a PowerPoint or a Google Doc or a Google Slide, you just want to click on it, and then you can double click on it to select all. So like for here, you can double click, type whatever you need to type, double click, type whatever you need to type. Pretty self-explanatory. And all the Google applications also use auto-saving. So everything is auto-saved. With Google Slides, you can also share with your colleagues just by clicking here on share and getting the shareable link. It's the same exact thing. You can see it's the same exact thing as Google Docs, and all of these applications like Google Sheets also have the share button up here. So there isn't anything else to talk about PowerPoint, but if you keep using it, you'll understand it easier. And if you have any problem looking for something and you know what it's called or whatever, you can just click on help. And this is the same with all the other Google applications. So you can click on help and type text box. And you can see right here, it'll give you what you're looking for. So say I'm looking to add an image. Add image. And there you go. So that's pretty easy, and you'll end up learning also from here because it gives you the icons and whatnot. So that's pretty much it for Google Slides. Now for spreadsheets. Spreadsheets is a lot more complicated than any of the other applications, and this one is going to take a lot of learning because everything is it's not very user friendly, but they do have this help. So I don't know what you would do, like a function in Excel, and you can get all of these functions. Now if you know what you're doing in spreadsheets, you can make very nice graphs and everything else. That's cool and all, but you can also use templates for this, and just like the other ones, you can use templates. The monthly budget, if you have something that you want to make, like a schedule or a calendar, if you want to print that out, you can do that easily by using a template. Now if you need to do something more technical, then obviously that's on you, and you're gonna have to learn what you want to do, but it's a good basis to use the templates so you can kind of understand how they fit everything in together. Now for the main event, the Google Drive. Now Google Drive, let me just type it in. Google Drive is awesome, especially if you're using a KeyCharter email account, because with KeyCharter, like you can see right here. Let's just skip through all this. You can see right here that this is a non-KeyCharter account, and I get only 15 gigabytes to use on the cloud. And this storage right here is amazing because you can have it on any device ever. So on my phone, I can just log in to this account, this KCSQuickTips account, and I'll have all of these files already there because it's on the cloud. And you can see also right here that Google Drive is connected with all the other documents, document processing, like Google Docs, Sheets, and Slides. So yeah, that's pretty much it. But anyways, so for the storage, you have an infinite amount of storage. So per day, I'm pretty sure you can get 750 gigabytes per day with your Google storage. Now, I don't know anybody that uses 750 gigabytes and has 750 gigabytes a day to store. So I have no clue what you're doing with that 750, but every day you get 750, and that goes for infinite. So you can have everything. So if your computer is running low on storage, then you could put some of those files in here and they'll be fine. You just have to zip them up and compress them or something like that. But anyways, so yeah, that's pretty much it. Google Suite, it's all online, all on the cloud. Everything gets instantly saved. It's pretty easy to use. They have help boxes all over the place. The best way to learn it is just to click around, figure it out like this. Just look through everything. So that's pretty much for this video. If you would like to learn more and you have any questions about any of the content that I look through, make sure to leave a comment on this video. And the next video is going to be about using Weebly and how to make a website online portfolio like that. So thank you very much for watching this video, and we'll see you in the next one.